Amana S Series Installation and Commissioning Technical Training Module TRV6.1. This material provides technical information that is only to be used by appropriately trained and certified HVAC/R installers and technicians who have agreed to the terms and conditions available here at https://www.daikincitib2b-termsofuse.html. If you have not agreed to these terms and conditions, you may not use or view this material, and you assume responsibility for any injury or property, system, or equipment damage which may result. If you have agreed to these terms, you also agree by viewing or using this material that this material, by its nature, cannot include a discussion of everything necessary to effect a proper installation or repair of HVAC/R equipment, nor can it address every possible scenario or environment a technician or installer may encounter. Accordingly, this material should not be considered as recommendations for the best practices and will not be considered installation or repair instructions to the extent of any conflict with Daikin or Goodman issued manuals and specifications or industry standards and regulations. Each installer or technician remains fully responsible for any injury or property, system, or equipment damage which may result from your installation. Copyright 2023, Daikin Comfort Technologies North America, Inc. All rights reserved. Recording, copying, or distributing of this material is prohibited without written permission from Daikin. The following training does not include A2L connections, but still applies to installation and commissioning. Sections covered in this training are product and accessories, inverter technology, indoor units, and controls. Let's start with product and accessories. The nomenclature for this product: first position A for Amana, second position S for split system R410A, third position X for condenser, Z if it was a heat pump, fourth position S side discharge, fifth position 6, which shows the SEER rating of 15.6 to 16.5. 6S for Southeast and North sales regions. 7 and 8 for the nominal capacity. In this case, it is a 36 or 3-ton. 9 is number 1, which is 208-230 single phase. Position 10 stands for variation. In this case, 0 stands for standard variant. Number 11 is major revision. A shows initial release. Number 12 is a minor revision. A shows initial release. The Amana S Series cooling only outdoor unit. The ASXS60A. Small chassis, 1.5 to 3 ton, which is the ASXS6018 through 36. The large chassis, 3.5 to 5 tons, the ASXS6S42 through 60, utilizes a DX cooling loop to cool the inverter control board during operation. Variable speed swing compressor in all models. Digitally commentated outdoor fan motor. Boost mode. Coil and ambient temperature sensors. Suction pressure transducer, and it utilizes the Amana Smart Thermostat. The Amana S Series heat pump outdoor unit. The ASZS6AA. Small chassis, 1.5 to 3 ton models. Large chassis, 3.5 to 5 ton models. Utilizes a DX cooling loop to cool the inverter control board during operation. Variable speed swing compressor in all models. Digitally commentated outdoor fan motor. Boost mode. coil, defrost, and ambient temperature sensors, high and low pressure transducer, and utilizes the Amana Smart Thermostat. S-Series accessories. Refer to the specification sheet and installation manual for complete accessory matchup. The KPW5E112 air direction adjustment grill and wind baffle fits all models. DACA-WB-3 powder-coated wall-mounted brackets for all models. 130-DK-006 Hail Guard is for the 18 through 36,000 BTU models. 130-DK-008 Hail Guard is for the 42, 48, and 60,000 BTU models. The KEH3P573597 drain pan heater for the 18 through 36,000 BTU models. And the KEH3P573567 drain pan heater is for the 42, 48, and 60,000 BTU models. Swing versus rotary compressor. The integration of main moving parts into one component eliminates wear at the contact point, eliminates refrigerant leakages. The result is a greater compressor efficiency. It is the best compressor choice for capacities up to 60,000 BTUs. The electronic expansion valve allows precision metering by responding instantly and continuously. Sensors input demand to open and close, allowing the correct amount of refrigerant according to the load requirements. The EEV motor can be replaced without recovering the refrigerant. The target superheat in cooling is 9 degrees Fahrenheit, metered at the indoor EEV, and in heating 7 degrees Fahrenheit, metered at the outdoor EEV. Inverter technology. The inverter control rectifies the incoming AC voltage to DC voltage. The inverter then smooths out the sine wave to eliminate DC bus ripple. It inverts the DC voltage to three-phase AC voltage going to the compressor. The frequency applied to the compressor motor modulates the rotational speed, which varies the capacity of the compressor. Inverter benefits. High efficiency in part load conditions. Less locked rotor amps. Less stress on the windings or the compressor frame. System pressures increase gradually, reducing noise and stress on piping. Quiet compressor startup. As room temperature nears a set point, capacity is automatically throttled down. Fewer compressor starts means less wear and tear on the compressor, which equals longer life. Indoor units. The AHVE air handler. It works with the ASXS6 and the ASZS6 outdoor units. Compatible with the Amana Smart Thermostat. High and low pressure transducer. Electronic expansion valve or EEV for cooling and heat pump applications. Variable speed ECM motor. Provides constant CFM over a wide range of static pressure conditions. Horizontal or vertical configuration. 7mm coil tubing. AHVE accessories. Refer to the specification sheet and installation manual for complete accessory matchup. High humidity kit. Condensate kit. 15-inch single lamp UV coil purifier. Single point kit. Electric heater kit. Drain port plug. And downflow kit. The MBVC air handler. Variable speed ECM motor. Compatible with Amana Smart Thermostats. Advanced configuration of airflow and tonnage in communicating mode. Provides constant CFM over a wide range of static pressure conditions independent of the duct system. CFM indicator. Fault recall of the last 6 most recent faults. Blower section usable as electric heater. Horizontal or vertical configuration capabilities. Cased coils. Indoor coil options. The CAPEA 1.5 to 3 ton coil with a control module. The CAPE 3.5 to 5 ton coil with control module for the ASXS6 only. The CHPE coil with control module for the ASXS6 only. Furnaces. Compatible with the Amana 80, 96, or 97% AFUE communicating furnaces. The D24V gateway allows you to connect any non-communicating gas furnace for cooling-only systems. Controls. Amana Smart Thermostat. A premium control that provides optimal comfort. Easy to use, energy efficient, reliable, and ensures that the system is set up properly. It's designed to regulate and communicate with HVAC equipment. The user will be able to control the indoor unit remotely through the Amana Home app. Thank you for joining us. Please continue on to the Amana TRV6.2 training.